want to invite all of you to the AAU 2025 meeting in Oman this year. It's a very important and scientifically based meeting, which is mainly concerned with AI in urology and robotic surgeries. I think it's a very good chance to come to find all what you are looking for regarding the training, the learning, and the social activities with the network of experts and professors. So my role will be representing the International Continence Society in the meeting, and also a couple of workshops and lectures, mainly for functional urology and male LUTS. I encourage you to register soon through the website and to also submit your abstracts. And I hope to meet you there, inshallah, for what we promise to have a very successful meeting for you. Thank you very much.